Number 5, specific month. Many changes and adjustments will punctuate this month for you. Be ready with quick responses and an alert mind. You will be required to make sudden decisions and adjustments that are necessary to your well-being. They won't always be of permanent nature, so do the very best you can. There may be changes within your home environment or in your business, but whatever they are, if you are always ready to accept and adapt, you will find that they are beneficial. Intelligence, common sense, and reliability plays a big part in your advancement at this time. Choose your words wisely to fully express this brilliance. Speak your mind openly and freely, allowing your knowledge and experiences to open the doors to success. Let those in authority know what you can do and what you stand for. Seek every opportunity to make a favorable impression. Since these changes can definitely be for the better, don't shrink from them. Adjust wherever necessary without panic. This is a great month for promotion. Therefore, it will be wise to attend to bright ideas that come to mind, or to some detail that is not required of you, but will show your adaptability and willingness to work, whether asked or not. Choose your words or figure of speech carefully. You don't want to offend or give the wrong impression. Don't be nervous or allow yourself to be forced into a situation in which you speak out unintentionally. Relax and look forward to unexpected surprises. If you should be involved in arguments or misunderstandings, they are likely to be of a temporary nature, as this is the month of temporary fancies, especially in your love life. Your emotions will run the gamut this month. Many engagements may be broken at this time, but don't let that upset you. A more propitious time will arise, and it will be a happier occasion. This same temporary effect will no doubt color any new project in which you are involved. If you are forewarned of this aspect of the 5 month, you can accept it without annoyance or anger, especially if someone breaks a date with you or fails to keep a promise. Getting angry will only obviate whatever good can come of this meeting at another time. Don't even attempt to attain any sense of permanence this month, and you will not be upset when you find that affairs blow to and fro with the wind. To understand is to accept without rancor. Leave your mind open for all the experience you will gain in the many transitions that will take place. Make the most of every opportunity, knowing that though the experience may not bear fruit immediately, it most decidedly will at some future date.